The space, solar system. The solar system consists of the sun, the planets, asteroids, comets, and meteors. The planets of the solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The Sun. The Sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is a yellow colored star. Its surface temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. The size of the Sun is so huge that around 13 lakh planets of the size of the Earth can be easily placed within it. Due to the gravitational force of the Sun, the celestial bodies in the solar system revolve around it. The diameter of the Sun is approximately 13,92,000 km. The Sun rotates around its axis, and while doing so, it revolves around the center of the Milky Way, taking the solar system along with it. The Sun is the hottest planet in the solar system. The planets. Mercury. Period of rotation and period of revolution 58.65 days, 88 days. Venus 243 days, 225 days. Earth 24 hours and 365 days. Mars 24 hours 37 minutes and 1.88 years. Jupiter 9 hours 56 minutes and 11.87 years. Saturn 10 hours 40 minutes and 29 years. Uranus 17 hours 24 minutes 84 years. Neptune 16 hours 11 minutes, revolution period 164 years. Mercury. This planet is closest to the Sun. It is visible in the morning and the evening if it is away from the Sun. A number of depressions which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen on the surface of Mercury. Mercury is the fastest moving planet. Second, Venus. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise and in the west after the sunset. It rotates around itself from east to west. It is the hot planet. Earth. It is the third planet of the solar system. No other planet other than the Earth has a life on it. As the Earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the Earth. Mars. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. As the soil on Mars contains iron, its color is reddish. Hence, Mars is also called the red planet. The highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. Jupiter. This is the largest planet of the solar system. It is so huge that as many as 1,397 planets of the size of the Earth can get accommodated in it. Even though the planet is so huge, it revolves around itself with a great speed. It is also called as a stormy planet. Saturn. It is the sixth planet of the solar system and next only to Jupiter in size. It is considered to be a peculiar planet because of the rings around it. Though its mass is 95 times that of the Earth, its density is very low. Uranus. It is the seventh planet in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears as if it is rolling along on its orbit. The eighth planet, Neptune. It is the eighth planet in the solar system. A season on Neptune lasts for about 41 years. On this planet, winds blow with extremely high speed. Thank you.